Hello everyone and welcome to Getting Deep with Deep. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Nycrew 24/7 RGBW light. Here's a little before with the hood and lights, and let's get into it. So I bought these on offer on Amazon for about $30. It was a pretty good price because usually I think it goes for about $38 to $40. These are the handles for the light to hang on of your aquarium. There's a pretty nice remote here. You got a lot of functions on that, which I'll be speaking about later. Here's an instruction manual. So I did a bit of research and I wanted a better planted light for my aquarium because that light was pretty low. I needed something better. So here you can see this is the power. I'm in Canada, so there's the power socket for that. That's pretty much the display, and you can also do controls on that. So yeah, here's the light. It's got the white bulbs, the RGBW. It has been quality checked, but it doesn't look like that. Here's the aluminum body. It's cold to the touch. It has got some scratches here and there, which I don't mind, but some people do. This display also has options on it. It's got I think it's got the hour minutes thing adjustment. You got the power and you got the settings in there. Here's me struggling a little bit with the handles, trying to do it the first time. And here's me saying, now kids, don't put it in the screw hole like I did. So anyway, after I did research online, I found that Nycrew was one of the best, reasonable price brands out there. And I found this 24/7 RGBW light to be useful because it gives you a sunrise, daylight, a sunset, and a night light setting in that, which is really good. I thought, yeah, it's gonna be pretty good to try it out. Okay, that's bright. Pretty bright compared to what I had before, at least. It is on 100% settings right now, and then I fiddle around with the settings here and there and check out the 24/7 settings. So the remote on this has a lot of functions. At first, you have your 24/7 settings, and then below that, they have different weather settings. I think one is a cloudy day, one's a thunderous day, one's a daylight full sunny, and one's nightlight. And then you have manual functions for your white, red, green, and blue channels. You can reduce them or increase them, and then store them as well. So here's the nighttime setting. It's lights off basically. It starts at I think 10 p.m. and then goes on. As you can see there, it starts sunrise at 7 a.m. with a ramp up settings of default by 15 minutes, and then daylight at 8 a.m. The sunset starts at 5 p.m. Again with a ramp down settings of 15 minutes, and night light starts at 6 p.m. ending at 10 p.m. by default. So these are all the default settings. I did eventually change it up and reduce the time, of course, but this was really good. It's a good light. My plant growth really did increase quite a bit, which was nice. And eventually I'm just messing around and trying to get the brightness to my liking. At first I reduced it down to 20-25%, and as my plants started growing and I had floater plants as well, so I increased the brightness to 30% at the moment. But yeah, this is a great light for me. I would give it a 4 out of 5, only because I would like to have more height, on the light. It's a bit too close to the water. But otherwise, as you can see, everything's bright. It's looking good. I'm happy. So thank you for watching, and hope this gave you a good idea of what you should look forward to if you get a Nicrew 24/7 RGBW light. Thank you. Have a good one and be nice to all.